Have you ever created an amazing WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow and wish you can share it with any of your team members, clients, or anyone outside of the organization? Well, now you can. Pabbly Chatflow has recently launched this amazing feature, and now you can share your amazing WhatsApp workflows that we call as flows in Pabbly Chatflow with anyone in your team or your clients or someone outside from the organization. And in this video, I'll show you the step-by-step guide of how you can share your flows with other people. Until now, the flows that you have created in your Pabbly Chatflow was accessible to only the people who have the access of your account. But now you can share it with not only the people who are your team members or your clients, you can also share it with people who are outside from the organization and not added into your account. This means anyone you have shared the flow with can not only see, use and open the flow that you have created with a very easy shareable link. So now let's jump into Pabbly Chatflow and see how you can share your flows very easily. So you can see right over here, this is the bot that I've already created in my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now let us share this bot that I've created. The bot's name is Automate Event Registrations for Conferences via WhatsApp. You can see right over here. Now to share this bot, go towards the flows section right over here and you will find all the flows on this dashboard of Flow Builder right here. So this is the bot that I've created. You can see right over here there is another bot also there. This is an active bot that I have. Now to share this bot, what you need to do is you need to click on the three dots next to the name of the bot right over here and you will find the newly launched feature that is Share Flow right here. As soon as you go to click on it, you will easily find the shareable link right over here. You can copy this link and you can share it with anyone according to your requirement. Okay. Over here in the help desk, it says when sharing the flow layout will be shared. Okay. When we will share this flow, the entire layout of our flow is going to be shared, but the contact custom field, tags, catalogs and templates will not be shared. Okay. So when I'm going to share this flow with someone who is not a team member or a part of this account that I have on the screen right over here, they cannot have the access of few things like contact custom field, tags, catalogs and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately. Templates must be created and approved by Meta. Okay. So now I have copied the link of this flow right over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open team member access of a different account. Okay, this is my account. I have a team member access of someone else's account. I'm going to open it and then I'll show you what all the fields you can find in that shareable flow and what are the fields you cannot find as well. Okay, so I'm going to open the team members access of another account right here. So you can see right away I've opened the access of somebody else's account. I'm a team member and I've opened their account right over here on the screen. Okay. Now as I've opened this account on a new tab, if I'm going to paste this shareable link and open it right over here, you can see I'm still having the access of somebody else's account. I'm going to click on this Try Now button. After opening, you have to click on this Try Now button right here. As I've done that, it says shared. This is a shared workflow. That's why it says shared. Automate event registrations for conferences via WhatsApp. This was the same workflow. And if I'm going to zoom out, you can see this is the exact same flow that I've created. But in this flow, if I'm going to zoom, in contact custom field, you can see the contact custom field that was selected in the original flow that we have created is not there. If I'm going to open that account that I had with the help of which I have created this flow originally. So this is my account and this was the original flow. You can see in the contact custom field, I have selected session right over here. But that field is missing in the different account you can see right here. With that, in the similar manner, the tag will be also not visible right here. With tag, contact custom field, catalog as well as templates. The templates that we create in our account is not going to be visible in the shareable flow with someone who has a different account. Okay. So these fields will be not visible to someone who is accessing the shared flow. Okay. And in this manner, you can see the entire layout of the flow you can see right over here can be shared with anyone who's a part of your team or someone who's not a part of your team. Anyone can have the access of the flow that you have created. Okay, you can see the entire layout is right over here. Now, whether you are working with your teammates or sharing the flow with your clients for the approval, you can easily share the flow with anyone in your organization or outside your organization in this manner. Now you might think, what is the benefit of sharing the flow with somebody? I'll tell you few of the benefits. One benefit is you can collaborate in real time. If you want your client to check the flow that you have created, you can easily share this flow with somebody instead of sharing the screenshots or the video recording of your flow that you have created. Transparency with your clients. Your clients can check the bot that you have created before that bot goes live. No login needed. You don't have to share the access of your account as a team member to anyone just for checking the flows that you have created. You can easily share the flow that you have created with an amazing shareable link that we provide to you. So that's how simple and easy it is to share your flows with any one of your team members, clients, or outside of your organization. And with this new feature, you can easily collaborate with anyone according to your requirements. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.